Hi everybody, I'm attorney John Voss from the Van Horn Law Group. Thanks for watching this video and all the other videos in our series. In these videos, we want to take what we've learned over the past 11 years helping people from Pensacola to Key West deal with their debt issues and file bankruptcy and share them with you. Today's topic is 4 questions you should ask your bankruptcy attorney or a bankruptcy attorney before you decide to hire them, right? Question number 1. Do you specialize in bankruptcy? How many cases do you file anyway? Technically, any attorney who is admitted into the bankruptcy court can file a bankruptcy. But bankruptcy is its own little world. Okay, it's a specialty court, right? Admiralty court, tax court, bankruptcy court. Okay, bankruptcy has its own world, has its own rules. A typical initial bankruptcy filing for a simple Chapter 7 can be anywhere between 45 and 80 pages, right? So you want to make sure that your case is presented in its best possible light. So you want to ask, how often do they file cases for their clients? Do they file once a year? Did they file once a week? Or did they file 7 cases today? Okay, that's important because as with anything, the more often you do it, the better and stronger that you get at it, right? And being able to develop relationships with what are called bankruptcy trustees or knowing how particular bankruptcy judges work, these are important advantages to you. Second question you should ask them is you should ask them to explain what bankruptcy is, the good and the bad. Right? Now, I know before you even picked up the phone to call that attorney, you were on Google and you were researching and maybe you got scared by what you saw, or maybe you got confused, or maybe you think you're an expert. Regardless of where your knowledge is, still ask the attorney that question and pay attention to not just what they're saying, but how they're saying it, right? Because how they talk to you during that initial conversation is a good indication how they're going to talk to you throughout your relationship. You and your bankruptcy attorney are going to learn a lot about each other over the next couple of months, right? So make sure there's a good fit there, right? Next question, third question you should ask is, do you anticipate any problems in my case, right? You may be nervous and you're not sure. That's a really good question to ask. But in order for the attorney's answer to be worth anything, you have to tell them everything. Yes, everything. Tell them about your spending habits. Tell them about that second Uber job you got. Tell them about all your debts and all your assets and whatnot. This is important because you want that analysis that they give you to be worth something, right? The fourth question you should ask them is how quickly they can file your case and how long your case is going to take. Unfortunately, sometimes people come and see us way later than we wish they would have. By the time they come to see us, they're already being sued. Maybe their bank accounts is being frozen. Maybe their paychecks are being garnished. Maybe their house is going to be sold next week. You want to be sure that an attorney can move quickly so that you can get the protection that comes with a bankruptcy case. You want to make sure that that case isn't sitting on someone's desk for 2 or 4 months, because they're backed up or they don't have enough staff, etc. That's important. Once you've had that conversation with the attorney, before you pick up the phone and call the next one, ask yourself 3 questions. Write it down. 1, did the attorney explain things in an easy and clear language that you could follow? Right? Bankruptcy is complicated, okay? But did they explain it in terms that you understood? Number 2, did the attorney's strategy make sense to you? It's entirely feasible that 2 different bankruptcy attorneys have 2 different ways of solving your debt issues. Did it make sense? Did you understand what the strategy from the attorney was? Number 3, did the attorney listen to you carefully and respond thoughtfully to your questions? Even though perhaps the attorney has talked to 20 people that week with similar fact patterns as yours, did they answer your specific questions in a way that you understood? Each person and each story, each issue is different. Okay. Bonus question. Did you like talking to the attorney? Did you like talking to other people on the team? If you met in person, did you like the way the office was laid out? Was the desk clean? Did people seem happy to work there, right? Listen, again, you and your bankruptcy attorney and his team are going to spend a lot of time together over the next couple of months solving your debt issues. It'd be nice if you enjoyed talking to them. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video and the 4 things you should ask an attorney before you hire them. Once again, my name is John Voss. I'm an attorney from the Van Horn Law Group. If you have questions about this video or any other of our videos, or you want to talk about your issues from Pensacola to Key West, give us a phone call, 954-637-0000. That's 954-637-0000. Thanks again for watching this video, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.